feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Everybody in the world blind. Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the station. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make it every day and I'm impatient. Hoping I blow up from the basement. Statement. The top is so vacant. I don't need shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing. Sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown. Ow, it ain't no place. I'll get my sound. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it. The rules that fit solution shit is stupid. Make you choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh.
Feel like I'm losing my mind. Body in the world blind. Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. Losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give a sign.
There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions, each do what they best, your worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the we all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your wrong.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
To the song, next time you sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give, don't ask questions, shut your lid.